Hi, this is Taylor Adams with Rentals in SF, and I'm the listing agent for this property. I've prepared a detailed video tour for you to take a look at that I think you'll find helpful. Before booking an appointment, please also remember to review the key terms on our website. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help, and you'll see all new listings pop up here first. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, here we are on Nob Hill, this absolutely stunning building, 4 stories high. It is on the cable car tracks. We'll take a look at that in just one moment, but you have the charming cable cars rolling by. You have a marble-clad lobby, and you enter in this glass door with a single key, and you have an updated interior lobby with mail to the right. And this is the ground floor. Look at that beautiful stained glass window right there. All right, let's go ahead and head up. This is the ground floor. We're heading up to the second floor. So not this level, but the next. Very clean, very well maintained building. Great owners. This unit is number 3. It's actually in the front of the building. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. First thing you're going to notice is absolutely gorgeous hardwood floors, tall ceilings, lots of period details. This is a converted 2-bedroom. So traditionally this would be a formal dining room. So if you're using it as a 1-bedroom, this would be a fantastic formal dining room. However, if you needed 2 bedrooms in the back, then this could be a combination dining room and living room. There is a plate rail around, so you can display your art, or I've even seen people put small books or knickknacks on it. And just a little window right here, casement style window. Leads right into the kitchen. So it would be cozy if you did a dining room, living room, but certainly could be done. Kitchen includes solid surface countertops, dishwasher, gas range, and built-in microwave. That's really great because it saves countertop space. Always great to have a dishwasher, if possible. This door right here goes down to the laundry and to the shared backyard. We'll take a look at that towards the end of the video. Okay, there is a tub shower combination. A lot of countertop space on the sink. And a storage closet within the bathroom. A towel rack right there, or excuse me, towel bar. Gas heater right there, central heater. And this is the hall closet, but since if you use one of the bedrooms as a bedroom, excuse me, one of the back rooms as a bedroom, then that would be the closet for the bedroom. A nice size walk-in closet here. Okay, now this is on the cable car route. So I think that's pretty charming. By the way, there's a really, really beautiful view out the window right here. Okay, and here's a picture of the cable car going by, and those are the two windows of the bedroom or living room right there. Beautiful bedroom. And then we go into, this could be a living room or this could be another bedroom since it does have a door, a window, and that closet in the hallway. Okay, let's go ahead and step down to the laundry and to the shared backyard. A beautiful big shared backyard, lots of sun, and I'm told it's going to be landscaped and cleaned up just a little bit. But in the meantime, looks like there's plenty of space. And this would be a really nice little gathering back here. And here's what the back of the building looks like. Okay, there is a shared coin-operated laundry in the building. And there's another way to get to the street if you take this left exit right here. And here is the shared laundry, coin-operated. Pretty fantastic, right? Okay, well that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our website for all up-to-date information on this listing and many, many more. Please smash the like button, and I wish you all the success in your home search. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.